Hello everybody, this is Rayzone Power Gym here, and have some fantastic news for you again today as we are in this episode connecting to solar panels. I showed you the other day how we connected to the wall charger and the ease of use, how easy. Well, this is just as easy. And I want to introduce to you not only the affordable and powerful portable power station, but to let you know that we hooked it up to a chicken plucker that we're getting ready to use, which takes over 500 watts of power along with a heat lamp, and it had no problem whatsoever. It's got a ABS strength plastic case, 1,000-watt inverter, 300 MPPT solar controller and multiple ports. It's a step-by-step manual. As you can see, it runs that chicken plucker no problem. I've got 30 meat birds from my chicken coop, which is powered by one of these units and is fantastic. I was able to take this Dokio 300 watt and hook it up outside. We finally got some clearing, some sun, and so I made my connections with my MC4 connectors. Pretty piece of cake. No problem whatsoever. You know, many of us have been satisfied creating our own power generators, but this portable power station is phenomenal. There it is, connected. What you do is you drop your lithium 100 amp hour battery inside this box, and it does a tremendous job. Look at that, generating power. Please like, share, and subscribe. You can find us at www.rayzonepower.com. This unit is only $275, includes a wall charger, and you need to tack on shipping and handling, and you'll be able to have this arrive. I've have Matthew in Toledo, Ohio, tell me how great it was, how much he loves it. Please